How to create AI-generated thumbnails for YouTube. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated thumbnails for YouTube in just a few simple steps. So, make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open your browser and go to any AI thumbnail generator platform. Some popular options are Canva AI, Adobe Express, Thumbnail.ai, and Photor AI. You can use any tool based on your preference. Once you're on the website, create your account or sign in if you already have one. After logging in, look for the option that says AI Image Generator, AI Thumbnail Maker, or anything similar. Most platforms place it in the main dashboard. Click on it, and now you'll see a prompt box. Here, you need to type the details of the thumbnail you want. This includes the style, colors, background, mood, and main subject. For example, create a YouTube thumbnail with bold text, bright background, and a textile layout. Now, click on Generate, and the AI will create multiple thumbnail options for you. Wait a few seconds for the results to appear. Once the thumbnails are generated, choose the one you like the most. You can edit it further by adjusting the text, colors, effects, and layout. Some tools also allow you to remove backgrounds or add your own photo. After finalizing your thumbnail, simply download it in high quality, preferably in JPG or PNG format. Now your AI-generated thumbnail is ready to upload to your YouTube video. That's all for the video.